Danny Vegas time in a Danny Vegas world. I am almost live from Las Vegas, Nevada, the entertainment capital of the world. And today is going to be fun. Oh, we're going to have so much fun. I love coming here. Man, let me tell you something about Gorilla Cross Studios. I have fallen in love with this place. We all know it. I sound like your old man. Just keep saying the same thing over and over again, right? Because it is true. Gorilla Cross Studios, if you're doing any type of podcasting, quit acting like you're in your home kitchen. Okay. No one cares about that stuff anymore. Basically, this is a real studio. It has 3 or 4 different sets. I know I love this, but if I want to change it up, I can. It's so cool. I mean, I love this place. So, anyway, Gorilla Cross Studios, do what Danny Vegas does. Follow my lead. Talk to the people. Go Quan here at Gorilla Cross Studios. Find him on social media, whatever. And tell him that Danny Vegas sent you because this place rocks. Okay. And remember, I got one more thing I got to talk about.